Hey guys, we're the Janoskians featuring on Mr. Teddy, and today we're doing Awkward Situations Part 2. Yeah. Another fail video. Of course.
The cat in the hat, yeah, he was so fat he couldn't even fit, yeah, he can't even run that shit,
We'll bring you rapping, I don't mean rappers in your case of child molestation accusation. Oh!
Yo, you're so bad, Dad.
My turn.
My dad.
Oh!
It's on YouTube. Oh! You killed it. You see that shit? You don't want to miss that shit. We're out of here, yeah? We're out. If we ever see your face again, watch out, man.
Shut the fuck up. Shit. Not to be a fish. Fucking idiot. He is a dead set idiot. He's an idiot. Look at him. He's a shit coach. Look at him. He's a shit coach. He should do better. Look at that guy. Shit. He's a shit player. Fucking ridiculous. Where it is. So we're gonna get hammered back.
Oh, mate. You always do that every night. Fucking hell, mate.
What's with the pimples on your dick? I'm scared.
What?
It's fucking scary.
I don't fucking have pimples.
How is
They're just red marks.
Go to sleep.
I think this, but these guys saying it's not a good blog.
No, not now.
Come on. Mind the mind.
Just wait till we get home, darling.
Service and
Mind the mind.
it's staying together.
We said,
I'll relieve the watch meeting.
James.
James, it's not plugged in. I can hear it. It's not plugged in. I can hear it. No, James. What? Do this. I can hear it. What? Fuck, what? It's plugged. It's plugged.
So Shrek, can you
Plug it in. It's plugged in. Do it. I can hear it. It's plugged in.
okay.
The dragon make the baby with the donkey. Tim Williams. You know? It's been intense. You want to kiss just to break the tension?
Shit! Look at him! Hit him! Go hit him! Fuck him! Quick, hit him! Hit him! Over. Ohin. Bang.
Sorry.
And go!
Oh no!
Now arriving at
The cat in the hat, yeah, he was so fat he couldn't even fit.